the end. So when we found that we could not